Put eggs in the avocado and see what happens. I'll start by placing 4 eggs in a bowl with a sliced avocado. We'll transfer everything to a blender and add 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of milk. I'll cover it and blend to mix all the ingredients very well. And before I forget, let me know which city you're watching us from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Mary Johnson from New York. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. After blending all the ingredients, I'll transfer everything to another bowl. We'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, passing it through a sieve. This will give our batter a smoother texture. I'll mix to combine with the other ingredients. Tell me if you've ever used avocado and eggs to make a recipe like this before. I'd love to know. When I make it at home, there's never anything left. It's impossible to eat just 1 slice. I'm sure your whole family and friends will love it and even ask you to teach them how to make it. Look how beautiful our batter looks. I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix it again. Using just a few simple ingredients that anyone has at home, we can make a dish much tastier than those sold in traditional markets and bakeries. I have no doubt it will become part of your routine, just as it's already part of mine. It's perfect for those days when you don't have much time to cook but still want a flavorful meal. I'm not using it here, but if you prefer, you can add a bit of vanilla essence for a special touch. I'll pour our batter into a greased pan with butter and flour. It's so easy, practical, and quick to make. This has already become my favorite cake recipe. Tell me what yours is, I'd love to know. With a spatula, I'll smooth the batter. It's important to do this so our dessert looks as good as it tastes. We'll bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Keep in mind that the baking time may vary, depending on your oven's power. I doubt you've ever tried a cake like this before. If you want to impress your friends with a unique, creative, and flavorful recipe, this is a great option. I never have to spend money on those expensive desserts anymore that, in the end, aren't even that good. You won't be able to eat just 1 slice.